What's up guys, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products on Instagram, and you can do this 100% free. You don't need any paid software, you don't need any website, you don't need any crazy funnels, and sure, that stuff could help. But if you're strapped on cash or you're just trying to make a little income on the side, this method is perfect for you. So without any further ado, make sure to smash that like button if you're excited, and let's get into the video. So before I go into either of these websites, I have another tab open somewhere. Here it is. So I just typed in best niches on Instagram because step one, before you do anything, you need to pick a niche, okay? And that's just a category. It's basically like a subcategory. So you know how you have like health and fitness, right? So a sub niche or a subcategory would be like green juices or like, I don't know, I'm not very good with health and fitness, but I'll show you some later on. But it's just something more targeted, right? So it's not like a big broad category or a big broad market. It's just a niche. I hope that makes sense. So I'm sure you know this if you know anything about Instagram. Health and fitness, beauty, travel, business, fashion, all that stuff. It's super popular on Instagram. I mean, that probably makes up like 90% of Instagram, to be honest, but there's a lot of niches, like small niches that would also work. But my personal opinion would be to just go with one of the popular ones or go with something you're super passionate about and you're like an expert in, right? Like if you're an expert on little Matchbox cars or something, do that, right? But the thing is, we're looking to promote Clickbank products on Instagram. So the chance of there being Matchbox products on Clickbank, probably not very likely, but you never know. And there's a lot of other ways to monetize Instagram with like affiliate marketing. But in this video, we're doing Clickbank. So just keep it simple and pick one of the top ones, whatever you're more interested in. Travel, beauty, health and fitness. And I'll show you some sub niches inside of those soon, but that's step one. So after you've picked a niche, we're gonna close out of this. We're gonna go over to Clickbank. All right, so let's make that bigger. There are a couple countries, maybe 3, that they do not allow. So if for some reason it won't let you create an account here, which is 100% free, let me know, comment down below, and we can figure out an alternative for you, but most likely they approve you, okay? So after that, you're gonna hit affiliate marketplace, and we're gonna pick a product. So this is where you can find some sub niches. So for example, if we go to health and fitness, we could just go broad and click health and fitness. But what you want to do is you want to click this little arrow, and that will give us more subcategories. So you can see right here, like addiction, beauty, dental health, dietary supplements. Those are all sub niches, right? And if you click on either of these, so for example, we'll do exercise and fitness. There's a ton of products that we could promote, but try to find one that you like, you know what I mean? But just know that you can always change and you can always test different things, okay? So try not to get stuck on this step. Now, what you want to do is you want to sort it by gravity. And what gravity is it means how many affiliates are having success promoting the product. So the higher, the more it's selling, okay? So that gives you an idea of what to promote. So you probably don't want to go with something with a super low gravity of 0, right? So you can go high to low. And then you can just look at the top ones. Find something that connects with you or you think it's a great product. And you can also check out like the average sale. So there's a lot of ways to go about it. And then you can also check out their affiliate page, which is this link right here. And I should probably mention that I do have a free affiliate marketing guide. It's linked in the description box below, but you can check that out if you want. I go a little more in depth on some of these steps. But again, we're just gonna pick, let's go with actually diet, the keto diet here, custom keto. So for example, if we're going to pick this one, you can log in to access your affiliate tools. All right, so inside of here, you can see they have affiliate links, product information, banners, they have customer demographics. So you can see 80% women, 20% men. So it'd make more sense to have like your profile picture be a woman. And if you're a man, I'll explain how to do that, so just stay tuned. But then they have articles, email swipes. So anyways, that would be a good product to check out. Diet and weight loss, great niche on Instagram. So anyways, so we're just gonna do the custom keto diet. And what you do is you just click promote. Now, if you're logged in, it will put your account nickname in here automatically, but that's the account nickname you created. It's your username. So mine's T Garetz. And then for tracking, you don't need it, But for example, if you're going to be promoting on Instagram and Facebook, you could do Instagram right here. And then what that does is in your link, it's going to say Instagram. So whenever someone clicks this link, it's going to show in your tracking or your reporting that someone clicked this link from Instagram. So it's very helpful. But if you're just doing only Instagram, not needed at all. But we've run into a problem. Look at this link. Would you click that link if it was in someone's Instagram bio? No, I know I wouldn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this copy right here, and then we're going to go over to a website called Bitly. So it's bit.ly.com or bit.ly. It will bring you here. And all you do is you go right here and you hit paste and then shorten. So the nice thing about Bitly is if you create a free account, 100% free, you can actually change this last part to it. So it could be like, for me, I could put like TG keto diet, right? So then it would be like bit.ly.com/TG keto diet. But even just this is so much better than wherever that link went right here. Look at that. That's just ridiculous. No one would click that. So now we have our custom link, and it might be a good idea to open up like a new document and just paste in your affiliate link. So let's say custom keto diet affiliate link. And then right there, make it a little bigger, like 16, something like that. So there you go. So now we have it written down. Now we're getting prepared. So that's step 3 is get prepared. And there's a few different things we need to do on this step. All right. So the first thing you probably already know, we need to create an Instagram account, right? So we're going to go over to Instagram and I'll just create one. So we'll do tgmarketing321 Gmail. Okay. So you pick the niche, right? So you want to make your username something related to the niche. All right, so the custom keto diet. I'm surprised that's available, to be honest with you. So you do want to be a little careful when you're choosing the name. You want to make sure that's okay in their terms, but most of the time, I mean, the custom keto diet, I don't know, it's totally up to you, but I'm just going to use that for example. You would want to have keto diet in your name if that's the niche you're choosing. If you were going to be doing running, be like running in your name. Anyways, I hope that makes sense. All right, so sign up. Now, we're going to go over to our name right here. Okay, so we're going to hit edit profile and we're going to change our name. Okay, so this is something that you want to do. So you want to do something like weight loss, and you could do something like that, and then keto diet. So that way you have some more keywords that people can find you from. So we're just going to hit submit real quick just so you can see kind of what that looks like now. So instead of Thomas Garetz right there, it has weight loss and then keto diet. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to add in the link. So the link is going to be the website. Okay, so we have that right here. We're going to take this link, we're going to copy it with Control-C, and then we're going to go over here, paste it, and then we need a bio. Okay, so a good way to go about this would be something like this. Want to learn how I lost 30 pounds with the keto diet without even having to work out? Click the link below. Okay, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to emoji. This is piliapp.com. And then I'm just gonna take this. We're gonna go over here and put that, confirm. Oh wait, shit, I didn't mean to click that. Hit submit. And then we're gonna go to our page. So for me, I personally don't like this look. It's just too long, but that's all, I mean, it's more real to me. But you can look up like other people, like type in weight loss. So go to this person and then the hacks, tips, advice, and secrets they don't tell you. Try out our free ab challenge. That's decent. Let's go to keto diet. See what other people doing the keto diet are doing. Stop guessing what to eat to stay healthy. Start your keto journey today with this custom meal plan. So you see how it's bit.ly/yourketo. So they changed the end of it. So I actually like that, but you could just, for example, you could just go to other pages that are related and see what they're doing and model it. You know what I mean? So that would be a good idea. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it like this. But super simple to figure stuff out. You just find successful people in your niche and model it. Okay? Now we need to upload a photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website called unsplash.com. And then all we're going to do is type in keto. So Pexels is another website. I'm just going to take this picture right here. This looks decent. And we're going to download it. All right, so we're going to edit profile, change profile photo. Going to grab this one. All right, so there we go. We got the profile picture, and it's a little off center, but you would obviously want to spend a little more time figuring that out. You could also just have the face, or again, find other successful people in your niche and do what they're doing. Trust me. Now, you don't even need to upload content for this strategy, like legit, because we're just trying to promote Clickbank products on Instagram. We're not about growing the account, but I'm gonna give you a bonus step after this so you can see kind of another strategy, okay? But if you just wanna make some money quick, all we're gonna do is we're gonna search for, again, keto diet. We could go to the hashtag or just go to this person. So they actually made this a little more difficult because they removed likes on Instagram, but for some reason I can still see likes on some of these on this page. So if you can still see likes, this will be a lot easier for you and for the next step, so stay tuned for that. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go into one of these pictures, and you wanna find people who are actually putting real comments like, and the recipe is, ? Follow, right? Or go to the likes, follow, okay? But don't just follow like 100 people because your account's fresh. Instagram does not like that behavior, okay? So follow maybe like 5, 6, 7 in an hour, you know what I mean? And just throughout the day, keep doing that. Because what happens is when someone follows you, I'm sure if you use Instagram, you know this, you'll click on that person who followed you and go view their profile. Okay, and if they're interested in keto, which obviously they are because this is a keto page that they're commenting and liking on, they're going to check out your link in your bio, right? So you don't even need content, right? You don't need to complicate this, you know what I mean? So that's what I would do to start getting people to buy and view your Clickbank products from Instagram. Now, if you do actually want to grow your account and make this like your long-term strategy, this is simple. You just have to continue going to pages like this, and then if they still allow you to see the likes, find the posts with the most likes, right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to continue again, following those people, and the more you grow your account, the more you can follow per day. Just start low, but then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to these posts with the most likes, with the most views if it's a video, and you're going to repost it. Okay, so there's apps that you can get on your phone like Repost. It's pretty simple. If you just make a quick Google search and you can find like these blogs and they'll tell you how to repost other people's posts. So just check that out. And if you want to grow your account, remember, find the popular posts of people related to your niche and repost them. But don't forget to give them credit, okay? So what you would do is you would just type in an @ and then put their name, right? So it'd be like credit @ keto_personal_diet, right? So that's what you would do at the bottom of your post. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. But you can also comment on people's posts, like people's posts, and just do stuff like that to get them to see your page, okay? Naturally, people will click on it and they will go to your profile, I promise you. Okay, you just got to put in the work. And again, if you wanted to grab my free affiliate marketing guide, it's linked in the description. It's the 5 proven steps to start and grow your online business. Okay, so definitely check that out. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You're the real MVP. Remember, smash like on this video. Subscribe by clicking my face right here. And if you want to learn more about making money online and affiliate marketing, you can watch these videos right here. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.